We're asked to solve this triangle ABC. Let's zoom in here. Solving a triangle means finding all sides and all angles. So I'm going to label these, call this Y. This is a right angle over here in B. Oh, this is clearly 90. And I'll call this theta here. And I will call this side here Y. So let's begin with the information that we have. Namely, we have this 53 and we have this opposite side 10. You can pick anything at this point. I mean, the theta is pretty straightforward, this value. I mean, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So if I subtract 90 from that, and then I subtract 53 from that, I am left with, what do I have there? 37 degrees. So that takes care of theta. Theta is equal to 37 degrees. Okay, great. What about x and y? Well, let's see if I have this and I have my opposite. Let's start off with the x value. Okay, that's my hypotenuse. And I know that the SO and the SOHCAHTOA relates the opposite and hypotenuse together. So I can write sine of 53 degrees equals 10 over, let's say, x. I'm just going to rearrange this. I'm going to bring the x up here and write x times sine 53 degrees equals 10. And I'm going to divide both sides by sine 53, because what that does, it isolates the x value. And all I'm left with now is, I'll copy this value of 10 over sine of 53, which we can do on a calculator. So let's take that out. Bring this up. Bring this over here. I'm going to clear it. And I'm going to do 53 first. So 53 of sine, or sine 53. Then I'm going to take the reciprocal of it. Okay, 1 over, because I'm basically multiplying that by 10, right? So that's what I get. And then I'm going to multiply that by 10. And lo and behold, I get 12.5. So 12.5 is my x value. Now my y value, I can arrive at that using Pythagorean theorem. I have two sides. It's a right angle triangle I can solve. But I think I'll use trig. Okay, namely, I'm going to use cosine. Actually, no, not cosine. I'm going to use tangent. Tangent theta, which is going to be theta I already know actually. So tangent of 53 degrees, which is 10 over y. Going through the same steps as over here, which I'm not going to bother repeating, I get y equals 10 over tan 53 degrees, which now forces me to go to a calculator. So I will do the 53, scroll over, there's the tangent, reciprocate that, and multiply it by 10. And that gives me 7.5. So y is going to be 7.5 units, whatever that is. Okay, well, we've solved the value of y, the value of x. We have angles A, B, and C. We can say that our triangle is successfully solved.